Unlock the secret to transforming your Lightroom. Edits into mesmerizing animated GIFs that captivate your audience. While Lightroom is a powerhouse for photo editing, it doesn't directly create GIFs. Our journey begins by selecting the series of images you want to animate, ensuring they tell a continuous story. Once your sequence is chosen, it's time to export. Go to File, then Export, and select a folder to save your images. Crucially, choose JPEG as your format and set your quality to around 8090% to maintain visual fidelity without overly large file sizes. Lightroom is now diligently exporting each frame. Remember, these individual images are the building blocks of our GIF. Next, we bridge the gap with an online GIF maker. There are many fantastic free options available. Simply type Online GIF Maker into your search engine. Once on the site, locate the Upload section and drag and drop all your exported JPG images. Pay close attention to the order. This dictates the flow of your animation. Now for the magic. Adjust the delay time between frames. This controls the speed of your GIF. A shorter delay means a faster animation. You can also fine-tune the resolution to suit your needs. Watch your masterpiece come to life in the preview window. Make any final adjustments until it perfectly captures your vision. With your GIF perfected, click the download button. You've now successfully transformed a series of Lightroom edits into a dynamic, shareable animation. From still images to captivating motion, you've mastered the art of creating GIFs from your Lightroom productions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative tutorials.